Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's April Fool's Day, April the 1st, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles in this puzzle page. The Sudoku with 2 stars, well, it's indicated with 3 stars. The Killer Sudoku, number 2, the binary puzzle, and it's time for the tectonic. Tectonic. The other two puzzles, this one and that one, um, I will do those tomorrow together with the yesterday's additional. Three puzzles left in the yesterday's additional in the Friday edition, because we have no additional in today's newspaper. All right. Tectonic puzzle number 6213. 13. And before I start, always count the printed digits. Well, I think this one should be a 1 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes here. I see here only a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do I have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Rotated. This one is rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Right. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4 then. But we already have a 4 here in this area. So not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. Let me think. Let me think. Come on. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. Not the solution to place the 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Yeah. Think. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. Think. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Oh, wait. Here could be a 1. Or there could be a 1. But it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because it's connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Okay. 2, 5, and a 3. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5, so the 3 and a 5 goes together as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 2 then is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 3 boxes surround a 2 in this quadra box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. Okay, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there and is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright. 3 and a 5. Interesting. Here are also 2 missing numbers in this area. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4 because we've got double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot also be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Then. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. 4, 5, 1, 2, and well, this box, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. It's in the same area. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those boxes. So it should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Alright. So this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there and is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes in there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a double 3 there, so I cannot place the 3 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes appear. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well. 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, and the 4 here. I'm still thinking. This box can be a 5. Those two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 5, 3, and the 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 2 and the 1, 2 and the 1. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I need a 1 there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 1, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes, and there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3, now we have a 3 there, so this box give me 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I'm faster than 15 minutes. Well, actually, a little bit more seconds. But, well, alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonics. Playlists for the binaries. Playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplets, aka samurai Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. And you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, April Fool's Day. And we'll meet again, tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.